town, downtown Crestline, mainly situated on Lake Drive, has all the shops and restaurants, and it is also the main drag that leads to Lake Gregory, which is right behind me, right there. In this video, we will explore the Old Town Crestline and check out 3 beautifully renovated homes that are currently on the market. And if you stick around till the end, I will give you an update of a major landmark located at the heart of Crestline, and we're getting after it right now. If you are new to this channel and would like to know everything about living in Crestline, buying or selling your home in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you will be the first to know about the current market in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities. My name is Alma Borcuk with the Living in Lake Arrowhead, California team. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to buy or sell their home in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're making your move in 9 days or 90 days, just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We're here ready to help the buying or selling of your home in Lake Arrowhead and Crestline and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities a smooth and stress-free experience. I'm at downtown Crestline, and as you can see, the lake is right behind me, Lake Gregory. And if I pan around, you will see that the main street behind me is Lake Drive, and it is the main street in downtown Crestline where you will find shops, dining, and other specialty shops in the area. The development of Crestline as a mountain community began as early as 1906 when a syndicate of San Bernardino investors purchased 630 acres for $11,000. Henry Guernsey, one of the members of the syndicate, proclaimed that on the summit of the San Bernardino mountain range, far above the heat of the valley, they will establish a summer colony. The new Crest community was first called Summer City in the Pines, but in July of 1906, a contest was held to rename the town, and Dr. Wesley Thompson's entry of Crestline won the prize. In 1928, Charles S. Mann, a leading mountain developer of the era, bought the center of Crestline and began to remodel the business district. He hired Millard S. Binney as the sales manager, and Binney hired a courtesy real estate bus that brought prospective buyers from Los Angeles to the rim of the world area. And by the end of the decade, there were 500 homes in the Crestline area and 1,000 more in the adjacent communities of Cedar Pines Park, Valley of the Moon, and Skyland. In this video, I will be featuring 3 homes available for purchase, all located within walking distance of Old Town Crestline and Lake Gregory. Not only are these homes conveniently close to shopping, restaurants, and the lake, they are also in a great commuter location. So how about a drive through Crestline town, and let's head on to these homes to check them out. The main street, Lake Drive, is just over there, and the first house in our home tour of the homes near Old Town Crestline is just up this street. And it is right over there. This fully remodeled mountain cabin has an open floor plan with a rock fireplace and central heating that will keep you toasty warm in the winter. The renovated kitchen with stainless steel appliances will make preparing a family meal a breeze. The vaulted ceilings in the master bedroom set the mood for a romantic evening. Enjoy an alfresco dining on the spacious porch under towering pine trees in the spring and summer. And this home offers three flat entry-level parking spaces. This mountain cabin is conveniently located close to shopping, dining, and the lake, and it is a successful short-term rental. So that's house number one of our Old Town Crestline home tour. So now we're in the area of house number two in our home tour of Crestline Old Downtown area. And right there is the main street, Lake Drive. And the second home in our home tour is just up this street. So it's really close to downtown, very easily walkable to the shops and dining and also the lake. And so the second house in our home tour is right here. And there it is, the second house in our home tour of Old Town Crestline. This home is listed for 445,000. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. The living space is 1,348 square feet, which gives us a price of $330 per square foot, and the lot size is 5,480 square feet. It was built in 1930. This mountain home has been meticulously remodeled and updated, offering a modern and inviting interior. The main house features 3 bedrooms, including a spacious loft primary bedroom, the open concept kitchen with butcher block solid wood breakfast bar seamlessly flows into the living space, adorned with large windows that provide lots of natural light and frame the lush green forest scene outside. A special and unique feature of this home is the developed basement that has been transformed into a fully remodeled apartment that has recently been rented for $1,300 a month. Additional feature is the generous laundry and storage room. A standout feature of this property is its expansive flat backyard with lush green grass and 14 mature pine trees and an oak tree, providing a serene backdrop to your mountain lifestyle. Ample parking space in the driveway further enhances its appeal, and it's located just a block away from Lake Drive, the town's main street. Restaurants, shops, and the vibrant downtown area of Crestline are within easy walking distance. So that's house number two in our home tour of the Old Town Crestline area. The third home in our home tour of Old Town Crestline is also very close to downtown. Downtown is just right over there, and the house is right here at the end of a short street, and it has a detached 3-car garage. And so let's check out the specs on this home. This home is listed for $574,998. It has 4 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a 3/4 bathroom. The living space is 2,012 square feet, which gives us a price of $285 per square foot. The lot size is 8,000 square feet, and it was built in 1954. The living room has knotty pine walls and beamed knotty pine ceilings. The family room has a wood-burning fireplace, and adjacent to it is the spacious dining area with a view and access to the expansive backyard deck. The kitchen was tastefully remodeled with shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, and a waterfall kitchen island. The upgraded bathrooms have rain showers with glass enclosures, new vanities, and new tile flooring. This home features four bedrooms with the primary bedroom with French doors located downstairs. The three huge detached garage is approximately 7,000 square feet and has the potential to be transformed into an ADU. So that's house number 3 in our home tour of the old downtown Crestline area. How do you like these beautifully renovated Crestline homes located within walking distance to Old Town Crestline and the lake? Which one do you fancy the most? If you are interested in any of these homes or any other listings in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description below. I am here ready to help you find that perfect mountain home. And be sure to check my other videos in which I feature other homes and neighborhoods in Lake Arrowhead and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities. And subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications so you will be alerted when I post a new video, and I post a new video weekly. Now let's check out that notable landmark located right at the center of Old Town Crestline, and it is the Goodwin's and Son Market, and it's right behind me. February 1946, George Goodwin Sr., son-in-law Bill Fuller, and son George Jr. opened a small general store in Crestline, California. This is now the current location of the local hardware store Ace Hardware. The small family business was successful, and by 1957, a new 8,000 square foot market was built, and within 15 years, the market would undergo 3 remodels, reaching a total of 19,000 square feet. This is now the Crestline Post Office and Oak Trunk Store, and the success of the company continued, and in February 1985, 39 years after opening the business, a 42,500 square foot supermarket was opened at its current location. Last winter, we had a major snowstorm that dumped almost 10 feet of snow in the area. And this kind of snowstorm happens once every 50 years, so we are set for a while. But the weight of the heavy snow caused the roof of the supermarket to completely collapse. Luckily, this happened in the middle of the night and no one was injured. Reconstruction has been ongoing, and the much awaited reopening is scheduled for late spring this year, 2024. It's been over a year since Crestline lost its main supermarket, Goodwin's and Son Market, and so everybody, tourists and residents alike, are looking forward to the grand opening of this renovated, reconstructed Goodwin's and Sons Market, and it will be opening in the late spring of 2024, which is just a couple months away. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next one. But until then, bye for now.